Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing a physical diary and preparing an index so you can find entries fast. Once chosen, set up numbered slots and a consistent template. Site, username, password hint, date. You write a single master hint that reminds only you of the key without exposing passwords. Then create a 3-symbol shorthand to mask account names. Make sure to keep the diary locked or stored in a safe location. These first actions make the rest quick and repeatable. You now record accounts following the template so every entry is uniform and easy to scan. For each account, write the site and username, then a hint that triggers your memory, never the full password. Once done, apply your 3-symbol obfuscation to the site name and note the created or updated date. Make sure to add the entry number and a category tag to the index so you can group related accounts. This consistent approach reduces mistakes and speeds later lookups. You finish by establishing a maintenance rhythm. Review critical entries every 6 months and log any changes with dates so history is clear. Once done, create one backup, a separate sealed note with recovery hints, and store it in a different secure place. If the diary is misplaced, use your master hint plus the site-specific obfuscated hints to reconstruct passwords step by step. If you still can't recover an account, contact the provider and use documented dates to verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.